Look at that dog. Dog. Adorable dog. Lovely dog. Wouldn't you agree?
Are you talking?
Wouldn't you agree that he's a lovely dog?
Are you making a video?
Or who needs dog when you have Burb? Burb!
Bird.
Look at that Burb.
Look at that bird.
Lovely bird. Ah, no, I can't see it. Look at that bird go. Look at him run. Her. I don't know. It's a bird. Lovely bird. Greatest bird. Who wouldn't love that bird? Well, I bet you feel bad now for forcing me to have to get in there so that then you'd actually get all cleaned up. Because you were smelly. But I'm sure you smell nice now. Now that you've been all cleaned. Yeah. You were clean, puppy. Hey, don't fight to get dried. Hey! Quit fighting. Quit fighting me. Just give in to being dried. You silly dog. Now are you gonna fight me when I try to dry you? Yeah, you're all cold. Of course you're not gonna fight now. You just want to get dried off. And not wet. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, you're a good boy. Yes, you are. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, you are. Hey, 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 hey. Don't fight. Don't fight. No fighting. Quit whining. There's nothing to whine about. I'm drying you off. Quit fighting me. You were so smelly. Now you smell good. Despite being somewhat wet dog, you smell good. No, you just smell like straight up wet dog. I was wrong. You'll smell better when you dry off. Hey, don't fight me. I'm wrapping you up in this towel and drying you off for a reason. So that then you won't be all cold and shivery. So quit. Because he reeked.
God, I think he did just like fall in his own piss or something.
He had to have.
It just smells not good bad.
Unless he drank his own pee and then licked himself. There. Ooh. What?
I don't know why it smells so bad.
Did he sleep in his pee?
I think he slept in his shit.
You shat in the bed. He's fighting now. You shat the bed. You disgusting dog.
That's why he freaking smells so freaking bad. He shat in his bed. I'm just gonna throw it away.
Yeah, there's not much you can do. He wants it. He wants the bed. You shat in the bed. You ruined it. You crapped the bed. You disgust me. Quit whining. We're throwing it away. It's the cause of stink. You crapped all over it. It's all your fault. If you had peed, it would have been okay. We could have washed it. But you pooped. You shit exploded. Quit fighting me. My God. I'm trying to dry you off. You're making this difficult. Harder than it has to be. Just get dry. Can't believe he shat the bed.
I'm just like, why would he smell so bad? Like, he didn't even have anything on him. Because it's all just like smushed into his bed. like, oh my God, Rory.
You're just getting plain old Cage from now on. You can't be trusted with bed.
I'll still give him a blanket though.
What? Whining
My phone.
is what you deserve. You shat the bed. Quit fighting me. Quit. I never even saw it.
You're like where you were looking in, so you wouldn't have seen it.
Okay.
I put a flashlight in there to look around.
Quit fighting me. Just quit it. Stay.
You'd be better off if you close this
Yeah.
so he doesn't make a wall.
Oh no, dog, get out way. Get out of way.
Get out of the way.
Good job. Now you're out of way.
I don't want to fucking see. Oh my God.
You were sleeping in your shit. You disgust me.
It makes me wonder, like, how long has it been there? And how did I not notice?
Hey, don't fall and then fight me.
How come I didn't notice this?
Hey, you're pretty dry. Go. You're free now. Oh my God.